Peace and blessings to all my emperors and empresses, all my regal ones. Welcome to another, another video. To anyone that's new here, I want you all to know that this is a negative free zone. We do not knock down anybody else's comments, and we definitely do not go after the person who was given the information. One thing I can say is that I remain humble. I try to just ignore the negativity, especially in our live chats, which we haven't been able to have lately. However, I'm human. I'm working on myself. And sometimes, if you hit me the wrong way, some of that Chi-Town flavor and dealing with these streets, will come out. But I try to digress. I try to just put it behind me. But anyway, back to what this video was about. And you all may have noticed a change in me saying kings and queens. I'm saying emperors and empresses. If you choose to still say kings and queens, that's totally okay. I understand. That's something that I just came up with. If you saw the post, you know why I did it. And I'll talk more about it at the end of this video. I want to keep everybody's attention span as to what the title of this video is, which is, boom, how long will it take my Natty dreadlocks or locks to mature? That's a good question. Not a lot of people have asked me that. I've had a few, and that is the reason why I am addressing it now. One thing, that is a question that's almost impossible to answer because everybody's crown set of locks are different. Everybody's hair is different. Textures, all of that, wave patterns, curl patterns. Everybody's hair is different, So there is no set maturity date. It's like, no, you're not mature when you become 18 and legal to, can you buy cigarettes at 18? Legal to buy cigarettes or whatever, and that makes you mature. Because you could be 18 and still not as mature as a person that is 10. And I know some people like that. So, but I just want you to understand, I'm saying that about hair. It's like your hair doesn't really know how old it is, and, a lot of people look at my channel and they say, oh, okay, well, all of her hair is matured because she's been a Natty dreadlock for like 15 years. That's not so. That's not so, because my hair is changing all the time. If you look at my videos from back in the beginning, if you go way back to the beginning, my hair is changing. It's evolving. It's doing different things. I still have loose hair. I have hair that was once separated from the rest of my Natties, and I called them bangs, and now here they are doing their own thing and bonding with other Natties and whatever. So to ask the question again, what is mature? There is no answer for that. There is no answer for that. Some people say, oh, okay, when I get to 6 months, my hair be mature. Not necessarily so. Once I get to 12 months, my hair will be mature. Not necessarily true. It took a while, because my hair was platinum blonde. It took a while for my hair to get to the point where I was like cleansing my hair with a stocking cap on so it wouldn't take away from my hair that was connecting. The water wouldn't rinse that out and knock out what I was doing. I had absolutely no idea when it got to the point where I was like, oh my God, I don't have to worry about this anymore. It was just something that happened. And the thing was, because I wasn't waiting for it, it was a matter of patience. I was not looking for it. I wasn't waiting on it. It just came and happened. I can't tell you when it happened. All I could do, if I put it in layman's terms, let me put it in layman's terms. Okay. People judge maturity on different things. Again, 10, 15 years later, my hair is still maturing. There's still changes that are being made. My daughter, she was supposed to be born June 12th, 2007, right before my birthday, 8 days before my birthday. She decided she wanted to come out at 7 months. So she came out April 4th, 2007. She wanted out. You know what I'm saying? So she pushed out. She came out. Well, she didn't come out like that. I had a C-section. But anyway, she wanted out, And they say that girls mature faster than boys, this, that, and the other. It's really just hard to say. Maturity in plants, maturity in life, maturity in hair, Nazi dreadlocks. All of that is, some people. Some people that's 20-some years old that's not mature. So how can we sit back and say, at what age of our hair, meaning months, years, whatever, does it mature? There is no correct answer for that. There is no correct answer. There's nothing I could tell anybody. I wouldn't lie to you. I wouldn't make up something just to make you feel better. All I speak on my channel is just things that I know about from my journey, not even necessarily a whole lot. I do talk about stuff from, my years of being, I'm still a licensed cosmetologist since 1988, for those that are new. But that has no impact on your journey, because your journey is your journey. Your crown is your crown. I have no idea. I don't care. You can send me a million pictures. You can, whatever. And don't get it twisted. I like looking at pictures or whatever, but I can't look at your picture and say, oh, your hair will definitely, be mature in a year. You should be good. I would be lying to you. And that's one thing I don't do on this channel. I try to speak the truth. I try to tell you what is going to happen. But for the most part, I try to keep it 100% real with you. And that is, you need to practice, and you can repeat after me. PATIENCE. Patience. That's what it's totally about. Patience. Just enjoy the journey. Just, this might sound like, oh, this was just something I just put together or whatever. No. It's real. It's reality. Because people want to know when their hair is going to be mature. At different stages, you will see like budding and all that type of stuff. But I'm still at 15 years, going on 16 years, I still have buds. I still have hair right here that I'm waiting on to do that, for it to do what it's gonna do. But I don't bother it. It don't bother me, so I don't bother it. So I just want everybody to just sit back and, again, enjoy the process. Enjoy it. And stop worrying about, if I do this, does that mean that I'm not that? If I do that, does it mean that I'm not a part of that? Just do you. Just do you. It doesn't matter if you are freeform, semi-freeform, all these different names and stuff that we give it. Yeah, I do go by freeform or whatever. But don't worry about that. Worry about the beauty and the elegance and all of that with your own set of dreadlocks, your own crown. Be proud of it. You know what I'm saying? And, if nobody has told you today how beautiful and unique your crown is, let me be the one to tell you. Every little hair on your head is precious, and everything that you do to it aids in it being even more, precious. So continue to just take care of your hair, drink your water, eat healthy, take care of your scalp. Make sure that you take care of your scalp. Look at some of my old videos and stop. One thing that messes people up. It's cool. I got some cool people that I could tell you to follow. And I mention them, and I'm sure they have no idea that I even mention them, because there's some people that I check out from time to time. I love Zaylock 23. I love Seb. I get his name mixed up all the time, but if you type in Seb, it'll probably come up. Seb, if you here, leave your link. And Not Nation is cool. He's a cool cat. But anyway, yeah. Don't worry about the maturity and all of that. It will come. It will come. However, one thing I want you to know, that your hair is ever changing, just like your body's ever changing. Just like when you were 20, you wasn't, your body was popping, and when you're 70, your body's still popping, but in a different way. It's like your knees, your back, all that is popping, doing their own thing, and it's not a real pleasant feeling. But anyway, I love you all. If anybody is wondering why I'm calling you all emperors and empresses, it's because we're evolving. To those that don't want to hear any more about that or what else I have to talk about, this is the end of talking about when your hair is what is it? When your hair is mature, I'm sorry, I was about to say grand. When your hair is mature, I'm just about to address why I decided to start saying emperors and empresses, if you haven't already seen that video. And it's because, I have seen a lot of videos on YouTube, and I've seen a lot of royal families. I've seen a lot of people that call themselves royalty, and I've seen enough channels to feel like we're more than that. And certain people already call me call me empress, and I call them emperor. I'm sorry. And I like it. It's like when I started saying Natty dreadlocks, it caught on. I was just saying dreadlocks at first. I was catching a lot of heat because people was like, why you call it dreads? Why you call it dreadlocks? That's so negative. But when I put Natty in front of it, it was like, the people chilled out a little bit. But yeah, it's up to you if you want to call. Still, I'm not changing the name of my channel. It's not going to be Empress a BK Dole. No, it's still going to be Queen of BK Dole, and you can address me as that. But if I address you as an Empress, just know that I'm talking to you on a higher level. I'm taking you to a higher level. I'm acknowledging you on a higher level. I even started, I done pulled out my dictionary. I said I want to increase my vocabulary. I haven't been into my writing for a long time, and I really need to get into just increase, just motivate myself to be a better me, So pulling out my dictionary, writing out words, just going through pages, touching a word, and then saying, okay, this is my word for today. You know what I'm saying? And writing it out, writing out everything about it, and then using it in a sentence, and then seeing how I can use it in my life. Okay? Wait, stay woke. Stay woke, everybody. Don't let people pass you by. Don't let these people pass you by. Stay woke. Learn, continue to learn. Doesn't matter if you're 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And I know I have somebody in this room that's 70. I'm in that 50 zone. But just stay woke. You're never too old to learn. And, it just makes sense to try to stay focused and to do better. We don't have to say the things that we used to say. We can evolve. And that's what I'm about. This year is about evolving even more. It's always been about evolving, but evolve even more. Make sure you stay on your nutrition. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, hit the thumbs up. Also hit that bell right next to the subscribe so that you can see each one of my videos. Hopefully, oh, and that's another thing. I had Xfinity come out here today. They gave me a totally new box. They said my box was dated back to 2014 and it's 2019, so I have a 2019 box. So it's supposed to increase my speed. So hopefully, maybe that, I mean, I've seen other people that had a lot of problems, but maybe this will help me with my problem as far as trying to do a live video chat on Sundays, because I miss you all so much on Sundays. Oh my God, Queen of Day, Queen Charlotte, and I'm calling you Queens because I know that that's what we call each other on that channel. Well, let me say Empress Charlotte, Empress Ade, Emperor Jesus, my moderator, and everybody else. Raina Ray, oh my God, I just want to give a shout out to you. I just want to say something to you because I saw some negativity that was thrown your way, and it really made me mad because I couldn't respond to it because I wasn't able to really get on the channel, get on my my YouTube video on one Sunday. I think it was this past Sunday. And somebody had said something very derogatory towards you, and I just want to say I'm sorry. You know, I wish I could have like blocked that person. I wish I could have, you know, that was probably all that they were able to say, but still it was wrong. And you're one of the people that I definitely, you know, love seeing on my channel. Queen Mabel, so many people. Empress Mabel, Empress Raina. It's going to take me some time, too. You know, I'm new to it, too. Not really new to it. And that's lucky. We're going to do another video. So stay tuned. I love you all. Thumbs up the video. Thumbs up. I want you to comment down below if you have a problem with worrying about maturity of your Nazi dreads. Why are you worried about it? What will it do for you? If you have any suggestions for videos, please comment down below. If you miss our Sunday's chat, please comment down below. I miss them. Oh my God. It's been 3 weeks. I'm a fiend, honey. I love my videos on Sundays because we be on here for over an hour easy. I love you though. Thank you for rocking and rolling with me. Thank you for sticking with me. For those who don't even respond in the chats or don't even, you know, talk on my channel. Those who I don't even know because you stay silent. Just thank you. Thank you for still supporting me. If you have been supporting me for a while and been on the channel for a while and you haven't subscribed, it's not going to cost you anything. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell. You'll be notified of just uploads. I mean, it's not like I upload every hour, so it won't. Your phone won't be dinging, or your computer won't be dinging like that. Just know that you'll see my videos. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Oh, I'm working on thumbnails too, you all. I've been working on editing and thumbnails, and also we're gonna do another video with the camera. I have somebody that can work with me with that. All right. Blessings. Love you all. Love you all.